Are you ready to run Facebook and Instagram ads for clients without messing up your accounts? I'm about to show you the exact way to use Business Manager like a pro, alright? Yes, this video is all about Facebook Business Manager for agencies, alright? I'm about to show you the exact way to use Facebook Business like a pro. How to request access, manage billings, and look like the expert he hired you to be. If you are confused about agency setup, this is your shortcut to run client ads without stress, bans, or confusions. Alright, so you want to make sure you watch closely to the end. Right, this setup will save you from future headaches. And at the end of this video, I will show you how to properly send reports to your clients. And even if you are not an agency but planning to hire one, you will also learn how to give an agency access to your business manager the right way for them to give you maximum results. All right, so to get started, head over to business.facebook.com. all right, to come to this website, select your business manager. All right, select business manager on this account. I have 3 business manager here, so you can select your business manager. All right, once you select that, it's going to take you to this windows. All right, this business setting windows, and just click on business info to get your business portfolio ID. All right, this is what I'm going to send to your client so that they can add you as a partner to their ad account. But before that, there are 2 ways you can actually have access to your client's business manager. All right, the first way is through a personal account. All right, you're going to be added as an employee. Right, and the second way is through partner, which I highly recommend. All right, you're going to be added as a partner. Right, so if you're an agency, you want to pay close attention, right? And if you are not an agency, you also want to pay close attention so that you can learn how to give access to agencies just in case you want to hire one in the future, right? So to do that, you want to make sure you first of all copy your business ID. You want the business ID, the business manager in particular, you want to give access to. All right, so once you copy the business ID, the next thing you want to do now is to go to users. Under users, you want to select partners. All right, click partners. All right, once you click on partners, enter the business ID here. All right, if you're an agency, you're going to work your client through these steps too on how to add you as a partner. All right, so once they enter your business ID here, they will just need to click on add. All right, once they click on this add, then they are going to click on this first option, give a partner access. Right, then you can now enter the business ID. Enter the business ID, click on next. All right, so you are going to be given this option, click on select all. All right, so if there's a page here, if the client has added a page too, there's going to be an option to select a page. All right, so you want to make sure the client selects page too, so that you can have access to the page and the ads account too. So once the ad account has been selected, you want to make sure you select ads. You want to make sure you select manage campaigns. All right, then manage ad accounts to full control. Once the clients click on this assign assets, this business manager is going to be connected to your own business manager, and you can manage all the ads accounts and pages on this business manager. So that is basically how you can get connected as a partner. Now, as an agency, why is it important that you should run ads on clients' accounts and not your own account? There are 3 reasons. The first reason is that the number 1 reason is that clients are going to retain data and not get confused with other people's data in your own account. Right, so this is why it's very important to use their own business manager to run ads and not yours. Then secondly, it's easy for them to select their preferred payment method instead of you having a lot of billings in your own ads manager. All right, it's much more easier for Meta to bill in their own account instead of yours. All right, then thirdly, when you use your client's ads manager to run ads, it's going to minimize risk. If you use your own business manager to run clients for ads, you are putting your client business at a big risk just in case your business gets shut down. One thing you should note is that if ad account or page is not showing, note that the client might have not created an ad account or a page. So you want to make sure you work them on that so that they can create an ad account and a page and link it to their business manager so that you can have access to everything to run ads for them. All right, so that's how you basically do that. And once everything goes fine, they're going to receive an email that you have been accepted to the ad account. All right, after you have that connection made, Your final step is to give people permission in your business manager so that they can be able to have access to that asset. So all you have to do is to come to account, then click on pages, right? So all you have to do is to click on assign people. All right, so click on assign people. You're going to see you're going to be able to give yourself access to the pages. All right, you're going to be able to add employees to have access to the pages on your business manager. All right, so that's how you basically do that, and you can add more people from here. So all you have to do is to select your client page, select it, and you click on assign. I want to make sure you select full control. All right, so that's how you basically do that. Now repeat the same process for ads account, all right, from here, so that you can have access to your client ads account too. All right, so all you have to do is to come to this ads account. I can select the one you want to add people, select the particular ad account, then select add people. If you select add people, you're going to be able to assign yourself to the ad account. So I just click on assign, and you're able to assign yourself to the ad account or your employees. All right, so that's how you basically do that. With this, you have the ability to create ads with that page and the account. All right, now to see your client business manager, come to this top menu and click on this drop down arrow. You're going to see all the business manager and your client manager at the top menu of your screen. Right, once that is done, how do you now share data with your client? To do that is very simple. Right, come to all tools. Right, come to all tools here, click on all tools, then click on ad manager. Right, once you click on ad manager, it's going to take you to your ads manager. So let's say this is the ad you want to check a report on. All right, you can just select the ad, customize the column to your own taste or what you are aiming to see. So once you're satisfied with the data you want, you can click on this drop down arrow here as the front of a spot. All right, click on it and click on share table link. All right, and copy the link to your clients. That's how you send reports to your clients. All right, congratulations, you have successfully learned business manager for agencies. All right, so you want to make sure you click the video at the top of your screen to see the best settings of how I run my ads, all right, and manage my ads. All right, so you want to check out the description of this video for more videos like this one. All right, and also if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, comment if you have any question, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel for more updates like this. All right, see you in my next video. Peace.